Meaning of differential gear.
Differential gear.
Differential gear.
Differential gear.
Differential gear. A differential gear is a type of gearbox that allows two wheels on the same axle to rotate independently at different speeds. This is particularly useful when turning, as the outer wheel needs to rotate faster than the inner wheel in order to avoid slipping or skidding. The differential gear achieves this by using a set of gears and pinions that distribute torque to each wheel while allowing them to rotate at different speeds. In essence, the differential gear helps vehicles turn smoothly and maintain traction on uneven surfaces.